Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to color grade like a pro in Capcut apps. So prepare your video, and here you can use filters as your automatic color grade. For example, just select filters and select filters that you like. For example, I'm gonna select this one just for the intensity, and then just click check mark. So click on the filters, and then you can set it for adjustment. Just click polish, select adjustment, and adjust for the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, sharpen, and etc. Right, for example, just click check mark, and you can get the color grading that you like. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching.